Hey everyone, it's me, Puppy, and welcome back to the channel. This month we are doing the February Ipsy bag. Now, I know I did a Ipsy bag already, but that was the Valentine's one. This is the regular one. So let's get into this bag. I know I'm a little behind schedule because this is coming out in March, but more things happened. Things always happen to Puppy. But, okay. So, this is a cute little red bag. It's got kind of a misshapen lip on the back. Well, this is the front, but on the back, it says sealed with a kiss in gold. Very Valentine's February. So, cute. But not my favorite bag. I do wish I had gotten the other one, which seems it was stripy, but that's okay. I don't keep the bags anyways. They usually just get thrown out, or I put like stuff for my niece in them. But let's get right into it. This says send love, and on back it says celebrate Black History Month, buy black. So yes, very much. Let's just pull out our first. There are no squeezy tubes in this one. Usually there's some squeezy tubes, but let's pull out a brush. And this is by FARAH. Looks like it is a flat top brush, which is for foundation. Definitely want to give this a try because I don't have a foundation brush. I have a sponge. And I'm really kind of getting out of sponges, but it's got a nice flat top, very soft, not too dense, and it's got a beautiful rose gold handle. So yeah, that is our first item, and I really want to go back to my Ipsy profile because you can change it at any time and put no more brushes, because I've gotten brushes the past 3 or 4 Ipsies, and it's just too much, too many brushes. Next item. This little tiny NARS, and it is pomegranate lip pigment. In the color Star Woman. I don't know what color that'll be, so let's just open it and find out. Tiny, tiny little lipstick. Whoa! Look at that red. That is a red. That is a vampy red. That is my color. Alright. Little tiny applicator. That's very cute. Let's see. It doesn't say if it's a cream or a matte or... Oh, it's definitely not a gloss. But it's a beautiful dark red vampy blood color that's gonna it looks good on my hand already against my pale skin. So that with like a deep cat eye. Oh, okay. I'm loving that. We'll wait till this dries down to see what exactly it is while we get our next item, which is completely destroyed. Ipsy, come on. It looks like this is another perfume sample. It is by HERMETICA, and it's Jade 888. Sample size, like the last one, Juliet Has a Gun. And this says, evokes images of dense foliage and tangled vines. Keynotes. In this soft and verdant scent are iris oil, ginger extract, and lily of the valley. I hope this smells really good. Just do a light spray. That's cold. I just breathed on where I sprayed. Oh, that is so good. I like this better than Juliet Has a Gun. This is Oh, and you get the green. like, it smells like green. If you ever been into, what are those called? An aviary? And you have all the foliage around? It smells clean and green. Not necessarily the water, but like, it's got that spice of the ginger in there. Just a hint of flower. It's, oh man. Wonder how much this is. Maybe I'll have to get a big bottle. I'm dropping things. Okay, next item. That got me really excited. And now I'm less excited. Jersey Shore Cosmetics Star Mint. It's a glossy balm. I don't know if you can see it because there's glare. Not really much to see. It's a lip balm. And it's minty. Let's see, what's a glossy balm? Oh, yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but it does have just a little bit of gloss. And this looks like it is a cream. So this is a cream lipstick, which is awesome because I really dislike liquid lipsticks now. So getting a cream one is really cool. Alright, last item. It's in this little baggie. And this is the Love You First Stunning Eyeshadow Duo. So, it's in this cute little, I would call this blush. And the duo of eyeshadows we get is Lilac and Blackberry. So, let's see. Ow. I always hurt myself. Where's my screwdriver? I can't find my screwdriver, so I'm just gonna use my little Sailor Moon. Ow. Ah, choo, I just poked myself. Okay, 1 second. Nail file. There we go. Whew. Ooh. There's some pretty colors. I hope that was worth it. It looks like we got a shimmer. That looks already swatched. And a matte that looks already swatched. Ipsy, what are you doing? You know what? Just throw some isopropyl alcohol over it. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's been sitting here for a while. I'm sure. I don't know. What do you think? But anyways, I'm gonna... really don't want to swatch it now. Alright, I'll swatch it and then I'll wash my hands. So... there's these two on my fingers. And then... oh god, they're so pretty though. Maybe not the mauve color or the blackberry color, but this lilac color right here is gorgeous. That's beautiful. I'll find a way to make it work, but I don't know if I really should try and make it work. I don't know. Anyways, that was this month's Ipsy. Barring the eyeshadow of questionable origins, I was quite happy. I am loving this little lipstick. Might have to get this in a full. And, oh yeah. Oh, that perfume is everything. Get that perfume if you can. And, whoops, making noise now too. Everything else, just, it was okay. So I guess I really didn't love. I would love if that eyeshadow wasn't already swatched. And then 3 out of 5 items would be great. But right now it's just a 50-50. But anyways, if you liked this video, please comment, like, of course, subscribe, share. You don't have to, but I would really appreciate it. And as always, this is Puppy. Bye!